Hello, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got Joshua's 2019 Honda CRV in the shop. Just completed about a week and a half's worth of work to this thing. There are going to be other videos for the taillight mods as well as the sound deadening that I did on this. However, what I'm going to focus on in this video is all of the other really fun, exciting lighting modifications. So, to start, all we got to do is open the door, and you see these awesome puddle lights. If I turn off the lights, it'll show up a lot better. It says Honda, and those are installed inside of the door, and I have illuminated sill plates now, and that is, by the way, on every single door. We've got the Honda and the CRV. Opening up this door, we have the Honda. Ooh, that one looks really good. I wonder why that one looks so much better. These are customer supplied, by the way. I don't sell these products or anything like that. It's just basically he brought them and I installed them. And so they are installed in the bottom of each door panel. And then that wiring has to come through the door boot and into the cabin. They are relay triggered. So we have those illuminated, and that's really fun. And then if we go around to the back of the vehicle, watch my foot here, we go, woo! And I added this. Again, this is all client supplied product, but it is the OEM products. It is just an add-on feature. Generally, the dealership can do this for you, but I did it and a hell of a lot cheaper than the dealership, of course. So you disassemble the bumper and install all the equipment there. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it so well, but there is a button right here, and that is how you select whether or not it is on or off. These are those side marker lights that I mentioned. I installed, those are in a previous other video. All right, I'm going to throw my headlamp on for this part because it's dark inside of this trunk section right here. But if we open it up, you'll see this thing, which I really didn't want to install, but that was his request. It is a JBL Bass Pro hub, which is a subwoofer and amplifier built into one that goes inside the spare tire. That sub gets its input from the factory stereo. It adds a little bit of bass, nothing incredible, nothing impressive. Personally, wouldn't recommend it for anybody, but he wanted it, he bought it, he supplied it, so I installed it, no problem. The next thing happens when we turn on the parking lights. Obviously, you see the whole interior just illuminated. We've got a lot of things running off the parking light circuit. The first thing that I have wired into the parking light circuit. So anytime the parking lights are on, we have these illuminated sill plates. Let me turn it off so you can see a before and after. It's kind of like a little chrome mirror acrylic plate that goes in there, and it's got an etched Honda logo, and it is backlit with a red LED. So those are pretty cool. Again, customer supplied. The other thing that comes on automatically with the parking light circuits is all the interior lighting. Now this is profile pixel LED strips. So the strip underneath the dash on both sides, and then I did my standard install where I did a strip underneath the front of the seat and the back of the seat. So we get a rear seat illumination as well, as you can tell. Now in this video, I can tell it's recording fairly blue looking. This is actually white. It is a mixed white. They are RGB strips, so it looks really blue on camera. In person, it is still a cool white. It's not a pure white by any means. However, it isn't nearly as blue as it looks right now. Also, there's these little accent LED pods that are installed into each section. Those were deceptively difficult to do, but they are hidden away right there, so it illuminates in the cup holder area. And as you can see, we've got the illuminated door handle panels as well on every door. Coming around to the other side, as if you just can't get enough of this, this is what it looks like. And then finally on this side as well. So between the underseat lighting, the sill plate lighting, the puddle lights, the interior door accent lighting, and these little door handle trim lighting, there's a lot of really cool lighting added onto this. Now the RGB LED products are controlled via the Morimoto XBT Bluetooth app, and it is 3 channels, 3 zones of control. So what I did was zone 1 is the doors, and also, oh man, I forgot to show these illuminated cup holders, which I'm actually kind of proud of. They were customer supplied, but they were single color, so I took them apart and modified them to be RGB. So zone 1 is set on green right now. That'll be our doors and cup holders. Zone 2 is our driver side, which is currently on red, and zone 3 is the passenger side, which as you can see is currently set on blue. So this is a really cool looking effect, and I'm pretty pleased with the way that it came out. However, it should be noted that a feature of of the Morimoto controller is that when it loses power and then regains power, it always defaults back to white. So every time he turns on and off his headlights, basically he's going to have it reset back to white. So that basically concludes everything that got done to this vehicle over the past, I guess, 6 days. This is day 7, I believe. Since I'm breaking this project into multiple videos, this particular video description will have an approximation for what was spent on this lighting phase of the project. However, it is just going to be an estimate. So if you're interested in that, then by all means check it out. If you like this type of lighting and you're local and you want this type of stuff for your vehicle, because this is a local service only, then by all means scope out the website. There's a build request on there. You submit that form and then you can get into the future build queue. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. You have yourselves a wonderful day. Let's just do it again because it's so much fun. Ooh. All right, have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye, 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 bye.